In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you can't type in the search bar on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This problem can happen due to a specific executable called the CTFMON.exe, which controls alternative input methods on your computer. Let's go ahead and walk through the steps. First, you need to copy a specific registry entry. I'll make sure to put this in the description of the video. You'll need to copy the registry value exactly as you see it in the description. Once you've copied the registry entry, go ahead and open up the search menu in Windows. Now, paste the registry entry in the search bar. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. After that, you'll see a result that says REG ADD. That's the Registry Editor. Right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Run as Administrator. If you see a User Account Control prompt, click Yes to allow it. Once that is done and you've made the necessary changes, go ahead and restart your computer. After the restart, check to see if the issue has been resolved and whether you can now type in the search bar without any problems. And that's it. Hopefully, this fix has worked for you and the typing issue in the search bar has been resolved. Thanks for watching.